Hi everyone, this is Cindy from Jevons Property Management. Today we are at 1203 South 16th Avenue in Yakima. We will be viewing apartment number 1. This apartment is walking distance from Yakima Valley Community College. Once again, the address is 1203 South 16th Ave, apartment number 1. It is on the lower level, and you do have a parking space there, reserved parking, apartment number 1. We are walking into the kitchen. Dining room. We are now standing in the living room. Baseboard heating. 2 large windows. Now we'll be walking into the bedroom. Has a nice closet with the dresser built in the closet. We have a closet there and some cabinets here. We'll see the bathroom. It has a large tub, baseboard heaters inside the bathroom. Now it has this cool thing where you can just close this door here. It's a sliding door to give you privacy from the living room to your bedroom. And it just slides back in. This apartment, like I said, has walking distance to Yakima Valley Community College. We are also close by Taco Bell, Taco Time. We're 2 blocks away from Nob Hill Boulevard, where you have a lot of restaurants and shops available there. We have a laundry on site, which is not too far from this unit. It is right here. I will just show a little glimpse of it. You do need a key to get in. Only if you reside here you have access to this laundry room. It is coin operated. Also, we have a small storage unit available. Well, that is it. Once again, it's 1203 South 16th Avenue, apartment number 1. If you have any further questions or would just like to request an application, you can call us at 509-314-4477. Thank you for watching. I hope this was good enough information for you. Thank you.